Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to effectively track your workout progress using TODOIST. So let's get started. The first step is to create a new project in TODOIST dedicated to your workouts. Simply click on the plus Add Project button, name it something like Workout Tracking, and select a color. This helps us because it keeps all of our workout-related tasks separate and organized. Now that we've done that, let's move to the second step. In our newly created project, we'll add tasks for each workout session. We enter the name of the workout, like leg day or cardio, and set a due date. The reason we do this is to have a clear overview of our workout plan and to keep ourselves accountable. Next up, let's add some details to these tasks. We click on a task and add subtasks for each exercise we plan to do, like squats, 3 sets of 10, or 20 minutes treadmill. This helps us because it allows us to break down our workouts into manageable parts and track our progress on each exercise. Now, let's bring in the key feature of Todoist for workout tracking: labels and priorities. Label each task with the type of workout like strength, cardio, or flexibility. Prioritize tasks based on their importance or difficulty level. This helps us because it can help us focus on the workouts that are most crucial to our fitness goals. After each workout, don't forget to mark the tasks as completed. This not only gives you a sense of accomplishment, but it also allows Todoist to track your progress. Let me explain why this matters. By regularly updating your tasks and marking them as completed, you'll be able to see how much you've achieved over time, which can be a great motivator. And there you have it. That's how you track your workout progress using Todoist. This process allows you to plan, prioritize, and track your workouts, giving you more control over your fitness journey. Thanks for watching, and remember, consistency is key. Stick to your plan and watch the progress unfold. See you in the next video.